So I'm here at Moparts, just arrived. As you can see, about to head on in, see what's happening. Morning, gentlemen.
Morning, Ed.
Happy New Year.
Morning, Ed. Happy New Year.
What's the word? Anybody know anybody in California hit all that money?
Oh, is that where it went?
Yeah.
California? Somebody won it? I was driving home last night. I'm like, fuck, somebody won it?
Yeah.
Nice.
What's going on, everybody? It's Coach coming at you, Untouchable Customs. 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm headed out to Moparts in Roseville, Michigan. Of course, to pick up some more parts for Jock. I had a 2-piece trunk floor that was given to me from Troy when I bought the Bee back in 2017. And Chris and I are at the point right now of putting the floor in. And I decided to put a full trunk floor in. So I'm headed out to Moparts to pick this up. Hopefully it'll fit inside of this Hyundai that I am driving. But if not, I might have to ratchet strap it on the top of it. So we'll see. Stay tuned. So I just left Moparts a little while ago, and this is the best I could come up with. I turned the camera around. It wouldn't fit inside, so me and Greg strapped it up top. Now I'm headed back to the crib. Well, actually, I'm gonna take it over to Chris's house and drop it off. Get that other frame rail piece on. I think that needs a new battery. Fresh sheet coming at you.
So, you'll see what's left of the rocker under there.
Yep.
Okay. So, you're going to spot weld. Going to be under here. Along this.
I stop it here.
Stop it up there.
Okay.
If you look, we'll grind out a little here. This is where
Yep.
the rocker meets, because this is where the lead is.
Yep.
So grind that off. We'll pop that piece. We'll see about fixing this. But main priority is get this off.
Okay.
There's 3 layers on that pinch weld. Try not to go through all 3. If you do, it's fucking fine. But try to just get the first ones, which will be
that one?
the rocker.
I think I got it.
So yeah, drill them, chisel, tap, tap, tap. Get that motherfucker off.
All right.
Because I think what we might still do first before I patch that is we'll get the quarter on and set so we could set the ass end of the car, and then when I peel it back apart to re-weld everything, we'll fix that. That's what's ding-a-ding-dinging in my head, but we'll fucking see. Oh, to spin the adjuster?
Yeah. Those motherfuckers here ain't no joke. Tell you what I haven't seen.
What's that?
A fucking jailbreak engine or swapped into an old school car. I have not read that yet.
Well, jailbreak's just a red eye mode.
It is. But I'm just saying. I mean, I guess I've seen red eye, but I ain't seen nobody say jailbreak drivetrain. You know what I'm saying? Like,
well, they just, once it's out of the car, you won't know.
True.
It's just a red eye.
Right.
That's the catch on that.
Yep.
Yeah, because I've seen a couple of red eyes in some of the old schools.
Oh yeah, I have too.
Well, yeah, it's the same fucking thing. I mean, your 10 horsepower difference is really just in like the cold air tube and
Right.
shit like that.
I guess we ought to grab a red eye when one comes across again.
If the price wasn't so fucking stupid,
Yeah, man, he tripping.
I can't do 11, man.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so you tell me you got a red eye fucking wide body. Okay, I do 9,
Right.
8, 9. I don't even want to do that. You know, but you start talking 11, yeah, I get it. You could take it apart and send it elsewhere.
Let me tell you how small that circle is. So I don't know how small or big it is. So I'm talking to Champ in Indianapolis yesterday,
Mm-hmm.
and I mentioned to him about that demon. He said, oh, I know about the demon. So he knows about the shit out here that we know about. That's crazy.
Too bad they crashed that motherfucker.
I know, right?
Where was I? I wasn't here. I was somewhere, so I couldn't even make a move on it.
Yeah.
Where the fuck was I?
I don't know. But no, we wanted to make a move on it, and by the time it got back to Milt, they fucking wrecked it. Because
Right.
you were like, we want it. Yeah.
Yeah, I had to do something, and J-Dog was working because J-Dog was the money man. We
Yep.
needed more money.
Yep.
Yeah, because I remember, like, let's go. Oh, they wrecked it. Motherfucker.
Right.
Because I had it already worked out with J-Dog. I was getting the motor.
Yep.
That motor would have been going in the CUDA.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
So, yeah, trouble. But yeah, if I can get my hands on another fucking low mileage red eye, I would trade out my standard so I have two red eyes. Yeah, so this is what I like to see. I just took the brace out and it stayed. I mean, we can't push on it, it'll move. Also, I got it still welded in, but I recut your shock tower and shit, so that's back in the location, not up under here. You can see that. Making moves, player, making moves.